How to see your user ID in Discord application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily see your user ID of Discord. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, open your Discord application and go to your profile icon. After that, click on the three dots and you will see the option of copy ID. But we want our user ID. So for that, you need to go to settings, scroll below to search for the option of behavior, click on it, and then there you need to enable the developers mode. This mode enables us to use some extra feature. After you enable this feature, you will be able to see the option of user ID below copy ID on your profile, and after you click on it, it will be copied. And that's all. That is how easily you can see user ID of your Discord account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.